rabbits in my hand, and it was very fun. But the ball panther was very dangerous, but still I enjoyed it. And the most good was the hamster. I liked it a lot, and the hamster was very cute and very nice. I played with rabbits, also with snakes, and there were so many things more. Also there were so many rats. They came and sat in our hands. Also we went to bird side. They also came and sat in my hands. It was very enjoyable. I love this.
The hamsters were very cute and the hedgehogs were hard bodied, but they were also very cute. Rabbits were very cute also, but my favorites were birds.
Today I visited Jiva Park. I met all the animals and I feed them. I had a lot of fun especially with the rabbits and also the cows. I had a lot of fun, especially with the rabbits and the birds. And the most fun which I had with the ostriches and snakes. That snakes were harmful but they were very cute, such as hamster. And I enjoyed the birds the most, and they were very cute.
So amazing that I didn't thought that this was a nice place. I saw so many birds. It came here and it was eating food, and I saw snake. It was so dangerous, but it was biteable. So I took it. Everyone became scared, but I didn't become scared because it was non-biteable. And I saw turtles. They were so cute. Jiva Park is so amazing, and I love it. And the tortoise was so cute, and I love it. And the birds came in my head, and then I showed us. When the rabbits was cute, so cute, and I feed them, and they were so nice. Thank you.